Hello guys, in this new video I am going to talk about the Fujifilm X-S10 Camera for Video 2022. I will keep Amazon links updated with the best price in the video description below. A compact mirrorless camera body that's packed with cutting-edge technologies to bring out your best as a photographer. The portability and power of this camera will let you connect with your subjects like never before. The X-S10 helps unleash your creativity to its fullest extent. Beyond that, it is a camera that expresses your mood. Great photos evoke deep emotions. Fix your eyes on the subject, envision the story you want to tell, and use this tool to create with meaning. Indeed, the X-S10 perfect color to define your photographic style, so a legacy in color science is at the root of any image you set out to create. Developed from knowledge and technologies accumulated over 85 years, Fujifilm's film simulations produce superb depth, saturation, and tonality that need little to no enhancement. Straight out of the camera, truly takes on new meaning with Fujifilm's legendary color reproduction and X-S10's in-camera functionality. Customize any film simulation to make your own distinctive look by adjusting a wide range of parameters directly in camera and modifying original colors and textures to create a unique finish and define your creative style. In terms of setting, X-S10 makes it easy to create your own distinctive visual style, by combining film simulations with other expressive effects, including film grain texture, color depth, clarity, sharpness, highlight, and shadow tones. All these adjustments are displayed live in the EVF and on the LCD touchscreen, so you can cook up great-looking effects and save them as presets. Offering full customization and adapting flawlessly to your style of photography, X-S10 lets you work faster, smarter, and more instinctively. Dedicated function settings let you recall frequently used menu items with a single push. You can also store your favorite settings to one of the mode dials for custom positions, allowing you to instantly switch between the most appropriate setup for the subject in your frame. Spend less time navigating menus and more time making images by mapping the features you use most to X-S10's dedicated FN button and FN dial. If you have more than 2 favorites, map up to an additional 5 of your favorite menu items to any of the 5 other customizable buttons on the camera body. Just hold the disp/back button on the back of the camera to start living a menu-free life. Moreover, you can easily access the camera's top plate. X-S10's mode dial features 4 custom positions, C1 to C4, where your favorite image quality, focus, and drive settings can all be saved and instantly recalled. For example, use C1 for high-speed continuous drive and AF settings, which can be used to photograph fast-moving subjects, while keeping electronic shutter settings saved to C2 to be ready for situations where silence is required. No matter what you decide, these custom positions are sure to keep you more focused on making your image and less focused on navigating the camera's menus. Adding to X-S10's usability, the Q menu can be used to instantly recall up to 16 frequently used menus to let you quickly change between focus modes and enable features like eye detection AF, for example. Additionally, since the image is still visible behind the Q menu, customizing it to show fewer items can help you monitor the image more easily as you are making changes to your settings. Without a doubt, with a host of wireless connectivity options, X-S10 is primed for sharing. Using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, you can share your memories with friends and family on social media by connecting and downloading your images to the Fujifilm Camera Remote app, or instantly connect and print your favorites from any compatible Instax printer. Install the free Fujifilm Camera Remote app on your smartphone or tablet and you'll be able to send images from the camera to your smart devices, control the camera's exposure settings, and remotely release the shutter. The app can also help you save data by compressing images down to 3 MB as they're transferred. Thus you are able to transfer your high-resolution images or videos 5 to 8 times faster than wireless communication by connecting X-S10 to your smartphone, tablet, or PC using a USB cable. No app is needed, just a compatible USB cable and a quick adjustment to the camera's setup menu. Pairing your camera via Bluetooth will allow you to schedule image transfers from the camera to your device while it is not being used. You can also enable notifications for firmware updates, then download and install them remotely, without the need for a computer. Then you must use X-S10's Wi-Fi connection to sync with an Instax printer and you can make card-sized prints from your high-quality photos. With instant printing, it's easy to share your images as gifts or create treasured albums from your travels. As well as wireless communication, X-S10 can be connected to smartphones, tablets, or computers using a regular USB connection to transfer images. On computers with compatible web conferencing software, connecting via USB will also allow you to use X-S10 as an incredibly high-quality webcam. X-S10's intelligent hybrid phase detection autofocus system delivers sharp and clear results. With a sensitivity of up to 7 of, Autofocus can be used even in nighttime conditions where other cameras might struggle. There are plenty of times when focusing manually is required, and X-S10 offers 3 superb MF assist functions to help. Focus Peak emphasizes in-focus areas on screen, while Digital Split Image and Digital Microprism recreate the visual focusing tools from classic cameras, letting you use them as a guide to adjust sharpness. X-S10 may use a downsized in-body image stabilization (IBIS) module, but it doesn't compromise on performance. Despite being smaller in volume and weight by an amazing 30%, when compared to X-T4's IBIS, this newly developed and highly compact unit still offers up to 6 stops of stabilization. Smooth video and sharper stills are certainly on the horizon with this compact system, which is also the first X-series mid-range camera to use a motion sensor retention mechanism. This shock absorber guards against slight vibrations that may come from the shutter unit, adding another level of stability to ensure that image clarity and resolution are maintained. That's it for this camera. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and maybe consider subscribing. If you don't want to miss my future content, I appreciate your feedback in form of thumbs up or thumbs down. If you would like to ask anything or share your opinion, please do so in the comments section. See you next time.